In today's video, I'm going to teach you reset AutoCAD to defaults. If your AutoCAD feels slow, menus look odd, or tools aren't behaving the way you expect, resetting the program to its default settings can quickly clear up a lot of confusion. Think of this as returning AutoCAD's environment to the way it looked and worked the first time you installed it. This affects your interface and preferences, but it won't touch your drawing files, so your projects are safe. We'll do this entirely from inside AutoCAD using the Options dialog. Start by bringing your attention to the command line at the bottom of the screen. Click in the command line, type the word Options, and press Enter. That one command opens the central control panel for most of AutoCAD's settings. When the Options window appears, look along the top for the Profiles tab. Profiles are bundles of settings that control how AutoCAD looks and behaves. Things like your ribbon and toolbar layout, colors, system variables, and other environment preferences. Each profile is like a snapshot of your workspace, and one of them is marked as the current profile. On the Profiles tab, locate the profile that's currently active. You'll typically see the word Current next to it. Click to select that profile so AutoCAD knows which one you want to reset. With the current profile highlighted, click the Reset button. AutoCAD will restore that profile's settings to their original defaults. This action is focused on the environment, not your drawings, so you're not deleting files or erasing your work, just returning the workspace to a clean state. After you click Reset, finish by clicking Apply. This commits the change so the default settings take effect. Depending on your version, the changes may be immediate, and you might notice your ribbons, toolbars, and palettes snap back to their factory layout. If something looks different than you remember, that's normal. That's the default configuration doing its job. A quick heads up, resetting removes customizations tied to that profile, such as personalized tool palettes or interface tweaks. If you rely heavily on a customized setup, make sure you're comfortable returning to the standard environment before you proceed. You can always reintroduce your personal touches later once things are stable, and that's all there is to it. By typing Options, heading to the Profiles tab, selecting your current profile, and clicking Reset followed by Apply, you've restored AutoCAD to a clean, reliable starting point. This simple reset can resolve many quirks and get you back to designing with confidence.